All right, so now comes run enter. Thank you. So run enter is not here. Okay, al agua, Rentley. There you go, Rentley.
Good afternoon, everybody. Can we have the presentation? Thank you. I'm here to present Rentlift to you. We are seeing a problem. Everybody has a lot of stuff, storage somewhere in our house, in our garage or in a storage room. For example, like books or bikes or ladders. But when they are storage, they are just junk. We don't want you to have junk. This is a problem. We don't have the space. We are wasting the products. And some other people could really use this stuff when they need it. Because some of the things that we have, we only use once, and we want you to share them with them. That's why we create Rently, which is a marketplace that helps you to find anything from anyone near you. That's the key, to rent close to you whatever you need, and improve the creativity of the people to invent new things that they can rent. Because right now, when everybody is fine economically, we are all consumers. But when in short of money, we always think of new ways to take advantage of what we have without having to buy new things. So we want you to put everything you could for rent and invent new things. And this way is a great way to impulse the social economy of collaborative consumption. So we can all share the same goods. And for example, only one of the people on a building can have one of the tools that everyone is using. Yeah? That's the key, collaborative consumption. A business model based on shared value, rocket launched by social media. This is the thing. Google can search all the stuff you are trying to rent on easy access and on Facebook and other media, so you can really get to the things you need. Yeah. Searching by proximity and paying everything on advance online and giving you the money after the renting is finished. Delivering and returning all the controls and creating very trustable accounts with the statistics and sharing information about the users, so you can really know the people that they're giving them your stuff. Yeah? That's the key. Trying to get to the people who want to rent their stuff to get a few things that only you're gonna need once, and collaborative consumption. It's a big market. A lot of billion dollars in the US in renting of anything that is traditional, and we want to include all the non-traditional stuff. Yeah, we have some competitors, but none of them are trying to direct the market of that we are appointing. Yeah, we only want to charge for the transactions and make it free.
So I know that we cut you a little bit short, but my big question is why are you different than the competitors, which I've used in the U.S.?
Okay, some of them, one of the most, yeah.
Three things. Why are you different?
Okay, we want to make a person-for-person transactions that they are secure. Most of them just give you the direction of these people of, you're searching for this, he's renting it, or this enterprise renting it. Just they direct it to them, and you make the arrangement.
And that doesn't exist right now.
No, that's the business who exists. We want to take care of the business. So when the people, you can rent it online, paying online, and then just show up to this person and pick it up, and they don't manage money. So they don't. You're more secure about the scams, and this person already paid for the renting, and you just when he returns it, you give the money, and if he put a bond for the rental, he gets it back.
Where are you guys with the product?
Excuse me?
Is the product ready?
No, we are developing. Yeah, okay. That's where we're here. We want to make a very quick development of this of this platform and have it ready as soon as possible.
Okay. What is as soon as possible?
In about 3 or 4 months to have it ready and working. We have a very capable team. We already have the programmers, the developers, the designers, marketing people. So this is not going to be an issue. That's it. Sorry.
Thank you so much. Okay, so Pichanga. I don't know if that's Football Intelligence or Crowdball changed name. All right, so it's not. Nears, and then I want Knave Hound here. Nears. Alagua? Or, huh? Nears? Okay. Knave Hound, come on guys. Then lo haría. Uri, ¿dónde está? There you go. I want you guys here. Then let's jock, okay? Okay, Knave Hound. Come on, guys. Yeah, so please, lo haría and let's joke. I want you waiting here. Right there. Knave Hound, Nave Hound. Exactly. There you go. All right, then Latin American co-founders and Latin Review. Let's go. Go. Come on. Big applause for them. Come on, you know the drill. These guys need some luck. Come on.
Okay, see? Yeah. I'm a little bit nervous, so don't kill me if I do something wrong. Okay. Hi guys, we're Knave Hound, and we're looking forward to solve the real estate market problems using an integral solution that combines listing, intelligence and recommendation system, and an auction rental system. We want to solve the problem for all the players in the real estate game, but for this very first stage, we would like to focus on the commercial real estate niche. We also want to focus on leasing and on the Latin American and United States markets primarily. Let me give you some background. The vacancy rate in Latin America for the commercial buildings or properties is between 0.3 and 7%, which is pretty low compared to other markets such as the United States at about 17%. This makes it very difficult to find a good place, and makes it even more difficult to find a place that is able to fulfill all the requirements of the business. We understand the uniqueness of each business, and that's why we want to deliver information based on each business's personal requirements or needs. Our solution is a web app that's not only about listing, but it's also about intelligence and recommendations that combine our sources of data with the information that the businesses provide us as their requirements. We work mainly with neighborhood information, such as venues and places nearby, for example, parking lots, subway stations, good restaurants nearby for the workers, and also metrics and estimations, such as public transport times, the safety of the neighborhood, etc. And we do this through data mining and recommendation engine. This is the demo. Well, you can see over here, well, this is a little bit where you can see the properties in a map. You can search for them and filter them through common criteria. You can see a list of the properties right there. You can see the details of the properties and pictures. And this is the auction system that we want to implement. And we want it to be useful for individuals more than companies, because it empowers them to do more and get more with their properties. Well, these are our main competitors: LoopNet, Realtor.com, the Coastal Group. This is in the United States. In Chile, there's no really big competitors for the commercial area of real estate. Coastal Group does some analytics, but it's mainly economics, so there's not much right there. The team is Freddy Sea. He's the CEO right there. He's a data mining expert with several years of consultancy experience, and I'm René Morales, CTO. I'm 18 years old. I'm a self-taught developer, and I founded Songroll.net. We also have one part-time hired developer. So that's it. Visit us at knavehound.com. You can get a beta invite. Thank you. Questions? No? No questions? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, René. Thank you so much. feedback. So, okay, now we're gonna see the changes of Loria.
Give me a second. Hi guys, and gals of course. My name is Uri Martinic. I am the CEO of Loria.com, a website where regular people sell services but at a fixed price of $10. We are solving this problem. Buying services is hard. You have to deal with a lot of factors such as price, providers, portfolio, reference, escrows, partial deliveries, and so on. So all these factors give you what is called analysis paralysis, and you end up buying nothing. The solution, one price, no analysis paralysis. Actually, currently, in our site, the time that a visitor takes from arriving to our site to actually buying is 13 minutes, of course, in average. Our model is pretty simple. We charge the buyer and pay the seller only once the service has been completed and after we took our cut of 13%. We launched our MVP on February 7th, and we're trending topic twice on Twitter, get featured in almost every newspaper, channel, television, news magazine, and so on. Why does the people in social media and PR, of course, and newspapers love Loria? Because our services are fucking awesome. We have this guy who is a lawyer that's gonna give you legal advice for 30 minutes for just $10. This girl is going to your house and clean for 2 hours for just $10. This is actually a doctor. Well, we think he's a doctor, of course, but he's gonna give you medical consultation by phone so he can help you. And we have some very quirky services, like this guy who's gonna be your alibi if you're cheating on your girlfriend. Very good service. Or this girl who's going to pretend to be your girlfriend on Facebook so your friends don't think you're such a loser, but if you're hiring her, well, you are a loser. And the question is, why people is doing all these awesome services? We have over 5,000 for just $10. And the answer is that for more than 400 million Latin Americans, $10 is a lot of money. It's at least 2.3 working hours. For some people, it's 4, even 10 working hours. So if they do 1 to 2 to 4 services in a day, they are making more money than what they do in their current job. The day we launched, or 20 days after, we got over 4,500 users, 4,200 publications, and more than 240 sales. 16% of our visitors became subscribers, and 5% of them became buyers. Our market is from 230 million Latin Americans currently connected to the internet. 138 million of them are currently buying online. Those are our buyers. The 230 millions are our sellers, of course. The team is, well, myself, I founded 5 companies, got 1 bankruptcy, 1 exit, and I specialize in customer acquisition and SEO. Felipe Parada, he's the cool guy of the team, UX expert, and Francisco has founded 3 software companies and is definitely one of the faster coders in Chile. I have just 10 seconds, and let me give you this idea. In 2 years, when you are thinking of buying a services, you are gonna go to Loria, and the service is gonna be there, and it's gonna cost you $10. Thank you. Questions, please.
So, hoping that you make it to San Francisco, how do you think this will compete with Exec in the US market?
Our major competitor in the United States is Fiverr, because they have the same model of a fixed price. So we are not thinking entering the United States because they have raised $30 million and are in this for over 4 years. And the same reason we are not competing with Exec or TaskRabbit or all of them. We are like the bastard son of TaskRabbit and Fiverr, but for Latin America, so we are black or, I don't know, darker or whatever. Thank you, guys.
All right. Cool. So let's jog. And then comes Latin American co-founders and then LATAM review. I want the other guys here waiting. Come on, Josefina. There you go. Thanks. Come on.
Hi, everyone. I'm Josefina, and I'm going to introduce you to Let's Jog, the LinkedIn for the sports industry. She's Jane, an outstanding high school athlete. She wants to be a collegiate athlete, though it's too difficult to get an athletic scholarship or sponsorship. So, she paid a broker, traveled a lot, contacted several sponsor companies, thousands of coaches, and finally met Coach Alex, who offered her an athletic scholarship in a US university. If they had used Let's Joke, Jane could have created her joke profile easily, and Alex could have found her very quickly, saving time and money. But what is Let's Joke? It's a display case to show your sports talent and contact recruiters and sponsors from all over the world. It has a freemium model and also revenues from advertising. Basic accounts allow you to create your profile, find users, and discover sports events. Premium accounts allow you to contact anyone, know who has viewed your profile, be a top prospect in the network, search with advanced filters, receive daily alerts and reports, compare prospects, and much more. In Chile, there are 600,000 athletes and more than 150 sports entities. So here we have a potential market of $11 million monthly. In the US, 600,000 athletic scholarships are given every year, such as the case of Gonzalo Barroilet, the Chilean Olympic athlete. So, Let's Joke has a potential market of $19 billion worldwide. But for Let's Joke, the sky is the limit. Our main competitors are only for US scholarships for US citizens, or only for sponsorships, or don't have the sports-specific tools. Our main difference, we're going to be the first sports recruiting network from South America and then the world. We have already been selected in 2 programs, Geek Fantasy Camp and Startup Chile, both from Corfo. And we have a strong team. Antonia, our PR, Macarena, our CMO, Carolina, she was Gatorade product manager in Chile. Josefina, I work in a US recruiting company. Martina and Cristiana, our developers. Jaime, our graphic designer. And our development mentors, who are also the founders of Hansa. We are launching our marketing campaign and also a private beta version with more than 60 top Chilean athletes and mostly all the Chilean sports federations and other entities related to sports. We truly believe Let's Joke will connect athletes and opportunities worthwhile. Thanks. We have the beta version almost ready. I mean, Christian over there can tell you more about the almost. No, less than 2
So
weeks.
what are the 60 athletes that you have in your system doing right now, if there isn't a beta?
They have all. We are creating with them their profiles, so they can be. We want to help them to have the top profiles, so they can be top in the network.
How many times did you rehearse your presentation?
Rehearse? Practice. Ah, sorry. A lot of. I don't know, but I mean, I kind of. Every day, you know, I don't know. Every time that I have to talk to, not in English, but every time that I have to talk or talk about the project, thousands of times, but millions of times, I don't know. Because in Startup Chile, I have to do it a lot. Huh?
Thank you, thank you. All right, guys, a big applause for Latin American co-founders.
Hello, everybody. Hi, my name is Nestor Cordova. I'm from the Latin American co-founders team. How many people like you or like me has been in this situation? You have an incredible idea, but you cannot make it real because you don't have because you don't have the money or you don't have a partner. So imagine that I say you that I have a web platform that will find your entrepreneur soulmate to make your project real. How it works? Using your Twitter contacts, Gmail contacts, LinkedIn contacts, and Facebook contacts to get the perfect match for your profile. The web platform basically use a login box, a register link, and a video that shows you the entrepreneur spirit. So we will enter into the college market because the students have many potential and they know each other and they can make projects together. So the server covers the entire Latin American region, but it works locally for each country. But if you want, you can check another country if you want to get notifications from this. So our business model is a freemium account model. We will have free accounts with basic functionalities, premium accounts with 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months membership. Like investors will use the same modality, and we will charge 1% stock options of every startup created. Our projection, we will have a year 2,000 customers and 100 premium accounts of this total. About $30,000 monthly we will generate. Our impact, improve the Latino people potential, the region economy increase, more jobs and new alliances. Sorry. Actually, there are about 600 million of Latino people in the world. About 60% of these people are between 15 and 65 years old. How do we know this is a good business? Because it's in the last 10 years, entrepreneurship in the region increased exponentially. Thanks. This is our team. Questions?